free because it is able to change the size of the sprite. You can make it massive and tiny. You can also customize the voice of the sprite.
I like everything about Scratch 3.
Now it's time for our tutorial.
First, you need to click on the block button, add block button.
Next, you need to pick text to speech.
Then put the speech block.
Now go to the event blocks and get the when this sprite is clicked block.
Then put the block on the top of the speech one.
Now test it to see if it works by clicking the sprite.
Now you can add a backdrop. Weed shores were underwater too.
Now you can change hello to anything that you want your sprite to say.
And you can add a voice to it. Thanks for watching and bye! Hope you had a nice day. I did.